We are getting a breaking news right now. Just hold on that thought. In fact, this is coming in from the questioning of Shraddha Kapoor. Latest on the questioning of Shraddha Kapoor, who has been being confronted by the NCB, is being asked question by the NCB for since 12 p.m. Now, Shraddha Kapoor, NCB officials are saying, sources are telling us, they are not satisfied with the answers that she has provided, specifically related to whether there was any consumption of drugs. She has also been evasive on few questions. Let me go across to, in fact, Munish for more details on this. Munish, though it's a very preliminary, interrogation right now or recording of the statement, but if the NCB officials are not, in fact, very much satisfied with what Shraddha is saying, what does this mean and how will they proceed further?
Yeah, well, in any case, Ankit, and even in case of Deepika Padukone, NCB claims that they are not satisfied with her answers. Same in the case of Shraddha Kapoor. Now, as far as Shraddha's case is concerned, remember there is only one WhatsApp chat between Jaya Shah and Shraddha Kapoor in which she claims, in which they are talking about CBD oil. Now, CBD oil, if you have a medical prescription, it is completely legal to buy CBD oil. It's a pain reliever. It's used as a pain reliever. But as far as the entire case against Shraddha is concerned, during the questioning, what NCB was trying to find out that whether she consumes drugs or not. On that allegation, Shraddha has denied. Apart from that, they wanted to know why this CBD oil was bought, whether it was delivered by Jaya Shah, because in that conversation, they are only talking about CBD oil. Now, NCB claims that they have certain more evidence against Shraddha Kapoor, and that is why, on the basis of that, they are saying that they are not satisfied with her answers. But this is the case in most of the cases, Ankit. Whenever a person is questioned, the investigative agencies mostly maintain that the person has been non-cooperative, evasive, and they are not satisfied with the answers given by them. But when you go to the suspect or the person who is being questioned, they always claim that if they have a knowledge about anything, then only they can disclose. So it is something which we have to see, that if NCB is able to gather more evidence in the case, because remember, in any narcotic case, you need certain amount of recovery of drugs. And in this case, the entire investigation is based on WhatsApp chats, electronic evidences.